Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Jisoo from BlackPink's Pink Venom music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Jisoo, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw a cute eye. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead to the sides right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lashes. So I'll just say maybe like 2 of them on the sides right here. And a longer one there. And then let's come to the top and just about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve over her eye for her brow. And same thing here. From there, let's go ahead and give her a sweet smile. So about in this area, I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve and then go up a little bit and cap it off. Then let's go ahead and frame her face. So we're going to come back to where her eyes are, the top of her eyes, really close. Say about right here. Just give myself a point. Same thing here, really close to the lashes. And then I'm going to start to draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to bring this curve in towards the center. And I'll find my center, so say about right here. Give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to try to make it a little bit sharper. Kind of come in. And same thing over here. Just a little bit more of a jaw, and then come in and connect right in the center for her face. Then from there, let's bring this up a tiny bit more. Just go up straight, kind of where her brows are. And then we need to start to draw her bangs. So I'm going to go right over her eyebrows actually. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to start to zigzag. Not zigzag, just put in some of these notches right here and go across. Right over, right across. And then from there, we're going to come back down about right here. And then we're going to go up. So we're going to go up nice and high. So just kind of imagine, like, take a look how high you want your top of her head. So I'll say about right here. I'll give myself a point. And from here, I'm just going to go slightly up a little bit, go up, and then we're going to start to bring it down. And same thing here, just slightly, and then bring it down. There. Add a little bit more details here. And then from there, let's draw her ear. So come back to about right here. We're going to pop in her curve for her ear. And same thing here. And then her headband for her pigtails. So we're just going to draw a little hair tie right here and here. And we'll draw her pigtails a little bit later. Let's finish her body first. So let's come right back down to the center right here of her neck. Give her this little neck right here. And we're going to cut it off. She has this little top. So I'm going to bring down a deep curve into this V. Give her this little collar for detail, and then just imagine as if you're just drawing her shoulders. It's going to be coming out and down. So same thing here. And on this side, it's going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to stop right there first. Kind of imagine where her armpit area would be, about right here and here. And I'm just going to go ahead and start to draw the angle line. There. So let's see, let's bring this up. She's wearing kind of like this cut off sleeve top right here, and then here we're going to connect. right there, and let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right there, I'm going to cut it off and draw a curve right across. And then we're going to continue this. We're going to come out a little bit more. And then right here, connect it with a curve going the other way. And let's keep going down. So this is kind of like where her hips are. So I'm going to start to come out a little bit and then bring it in. So let's come down low, nice and in the center, say about right here. And give myself a curve. And it's going to be really short. So she's wearing these shorts. So about right here, I'm just going to cut it off and connect. From there, let's go ahead and draw the legs. So we're going to come back right here in this area and here. And same thing here. So I'm going to work on this side first. We're just going to go down a slight angle. And it's going to get thinner as we come down. To say about right there, and I'm going to stop and cut it off and draw her boots. So it's just a thicker, same angles. We're still coming down, just a little bit popped out. And then from there, about right here, we're going to start to come out for her boots and round it off. So same thing on this side. There. And then for some details, let's come back about right here. We're going to cut it off for some socks, and then the straps about right here. X. I'll thicken that up. And there's also some details right here on the socks. And then her boots has some straps on it. So just simplify it and just add two. And then at the bottom right here, just draw a sole. There. So same exact thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now that we have that detail in, let's come back and draw her arms. So we're going to have this arm nice and simple, just to her sides. So we're going to come down, and about right here, we're going to go in a little bit and then come back out. And we want her hands to end about in this area. So let's come back to about right here. We're just going to tuck in a thumb, round it off, round it with some fingers, at an angle, and then just connect it. There. And then on this side, she has this really cool sleeve, right? That's knitted, so it's really big. So we're just gonna come about right here, really poofy, and we're just gonna poof out this big shape and come down, just wobble a little bit to kind of like where her arms would be, her sleeve. So about right here, we're just gonna go ahead and bring it in. And then she has so almost like a glove part. So come down, it's connected, and round it off. And then right in here, we're going to tuck in a little thumb and then some fingers right here. There. So hopefully that wasn't too complicated. And we're just gonna come in here and put in some openings. Here and there. Without going into too many details. And I think there's like a black part right here, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. Let's finish her hair first. Let's come back up right here, and we're just gonna draw in these awesome pigtails. And we're gonna bring it down. Just give it some strands, and then just tuck it in. And then come back right here to thicken it up. So same thing over here. Oh, actually, you know what? This needs to come down a little bit to match the other side. And then about right here. There. Her hair is black anyways. I don't need to put in too many details. And let's see here. So then for her outfit, we can come right here. Everything's black, but just want to show you if you're going to all the little details. We're going to put a little 8 right here. And there's some graphics here, but I'm not going to do that now. See how much details we can put in when we color it. But we need to put in this patch right here. So I'll just draw this one big patch that's right here. And it says net. And a big circle. And I'll just put a heart right here. There. And then there's this ball. Just trying to draw only the necessary details. And some flames. Make it nice and simple. And let's see here. That is hopefully pretty much it. And like I said, the graphics right here, I'll do that when I color it, because there's some stripes of color that will muddle up with a Sharpie. But I really hope I helped you draw Jisoo here from BlackPink's Pink Venom music video, and she is the last and complete set from the music video. And sorry it took so long for me to finally draw her, and I really hope I helped you draw all of them. Fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.